If you are suffering from high blood pressure or you are having a hypertension problem, then this video is just for you, because today I'm going to tell you some best home remedies and best effective treatment from which you can easily say goodbye to your high blood pressure. So stay tuned with the whole video. Hey everyone, this is your host Singh and you're watching me on Disease Media. So before knowing about the treatment of high blood pressure, we firstly have to understand that what is the actual cause of high blood pressure. So the main cause of high blood pressure is excessive salt intake. Means that you're consuming too much salt in your diet, then you have a high probability and high chances that your high blood pressure will rise up and may cause problems. The second main cause is taking stress. If you are in stress or you're taking depression, then your high blood pressure will get rise up and you faces various difficulties. So avoid stressful situation. Be happy in every situation as much as possible. The third biggest cause of the high blood pressure is the unhealthy lifestyle or taking some food items which are not suitable for you. Like the oily and fatty food items, they deposit inside your veins and form a plaque, and this plaque will form a layer of cholesterol like layer and may apply pressure on your arteries so that your blood can't easily flow and your high blood pressure will get rise up. So you have to avoid oily, fatty, cheesy, buttery food items because they can cause high blood pressure. So these are the top 3 main cause of high blood pressure. In the mostly cases, the high blood pressure occurs due to these things. But now we had known about the actual cause of high blood pressure. Let's move on to the perfect home remedies and treatment from which you can cure high blood pressure. So the first treatment is bottle guard or loki juice. If you are high blood pressure, then loki juice or bottle guard juice is the best solution for a high blood pressure patient. You should have to consume it twice in a day as much as possible. Also once in a day is enough, but if possible then twice in a day. You simply have to take 1 or 2 loki or bottle guard and make 1 glass of juice and drink it twice in a day, in the morning and in the evening. This will definitely going to decrease your high blood pressure and you feels very nice and very good after consuming it, and you get right from your high blood pressure. The second home remedy is Arjun Bark or Arjun ki chhal in Hindi. If you are a high blood pressure patient, then Arjun Bark is very beneficial for you. Arjun is a type of tree and the bark of this tree is very beneficial for a high blood pressure. Let's know how to consume it. You simply have to take 2 to 3 tablespoons of Arjun Bark powder and boil it in 2 glasses of water until it becomes 1 glass, and drink this mixture twice in a day. This will definitely going to decrease your high blood pressure. The next home remedy is the type of food items which you have to take in your daily routine. You should have to consume sprouts, 1 bowl of sprouts at least daily in your life, because they can also improve your digestion and also lowers your high blood pressure. And as I earlier told you, don't consume oily, fatty, sugary, salty food items because they can cause high blood pressure and you may face various difficulties from these food items. Consume healthy food items like fruits, vegetables, green leafy vegetables. This will not going to increase your high blood pressure and your high blood pressure will stay in your control. So these are the best home remedies and best treatment that everyone can do in their home, and after applying these changes your high blood pressure will automatically gets down. If you found that this video is helpful for you, then give it a thumbs up, share this video with your family and friends, and if you haven't subscribed this channel, then please subscribe this channel for such type of interesting and amazing